I've always been passionate about space, and just reaching an atmosphere didn't work out for me, so that's why I'm here at GalaxEye. Hi there, I'm Madhunika Srivatsan and I'm the Space Systems Engineer at GalaxEye. When I was a kid, I always looked at the stars and wondered like, hey, if these stars are gonna, take us and help us through any journeys or odysseys that we're going on our ancestors, why not we go directly to them and see how they look like? Working in a satellite company is just the start. I ensure that there's a satellite that's to be launched and that you get the Earth images that everyone is looking forward to. Earth images that are sync-fused, Earth images that no one has ever seen before. And I'm touching products that are going into space, and that's quite exciting in that sense. My proud movement was when we were doing the subsystem level testings for one of our parts. Going through that entire process was challenging because it was the first time I did it, and I was really happy that at the end I was able to solve it with the help of my team, with the help of advisors from ISRO. That was a defining moment because in the end, when you're exhausted for a day or you've achieved something, we just have to sit back and remind that, hey, we're doing something that is gonna go in space. The best things about being in GalaxEye is that you get to work and you get to express what you feel, what are the risks, what are the challenges, and it's a very open atmosphere. So for example, I directly work under Kishan, and Kishan has been a really fantastic co-founder. I honestly forget that he's a co-founder when we work. You do have a lot of fun doing a lot of things, but at the same time, you also need to relax, calm down, because that's when you get really good, new, fresh ideas as well. So me and my colleagues usually go out to have fun. We go party, we just relax, chill, or probably just lay down a mat and then just stare at the stars. If you're curious about space, if you are interested to work in a fast-paced environment, and if you're interested to work on something that never anyone has done before, then GalaxEye is for you.